How to set price alerts in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap on the trade section to access available markets. Select the instrument you want to track, for example, Euro or USD, and tap on it to open the trading interface. Now tap on the alarm clock icon or price alert option to create a new alert. Then tap Add New Alert. Enter the price level at which you want to be notified. You can set the alert above or below the current market price depending on whether you expect the price to rise or fall. You can also add a note and choose the expiration date. There is also an option to enable recurring alerts if you want. After setting the desired parameters, tap Confirm to activate the alert. The app will notify you automatically when the market reaches your specific price level. Regularly using price alerts in Exness helps you stay updated on market movements, manage trades efficiently, and never miss key trading opportunities. Now you know how to set price alerts in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.